Dribbles, are you playing tug of war? You don't have the concept right, Kiki. You don't let go.
She lost the rope. Oh, never mind. Nope.
Dribbles, get the rope. I was gonna pull on it, you gotta pull back. Go get it. Pull it back. I'm gonna take it with you. Take the rope with you. Keep going. Uh-oh. Daddy got it. Pick it up. Pick it up and take it with you. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Come on. You gotta keep a hold of it. Don't let Daddy take it. Uh-oh. She's starting to get the concept of tug of war.
Kinda. She's learning. Slowly.
Come on. Drag it away. Take it away.
It's a lot harder to teach a cat the concept than it is a dog.
Come on, Dribbles. Take it away.